Hi, welcome to Planting with Grandma. If you like this video, please share it, add your comments, and subscribe. Today, I'm going to show you how to treat your ugu seeds for easy germination, for quick germination. I will also show you how to plant your ugu seeds so that they will root and germinate easily.
If you are interested, do not scroll down, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go.
This ugu seeds you are seeing now, I have treated it for a couple of days, and as you can see, it has already started germinating here. Yeah, I put it here, to save it and make it very viable. You see, it has started germinating. You see? Do you see the root?
Yeah.
That's the root. And this is where the stem will come out. This is the root. Okay. So when you want to plant it now, you put the root. See the root? You put it inside. It will go, the root will go in, facing downwards.
Okay.
So use this to open a hole. No. Come close to the center. Okay. And then put this. Let the root first down. No. You see the root? You see the root? This white thing?
Yeah.
It should face downwards.
Oh, okay.
Use. Hold it like this. Okay, good. Hold on. Let me open it a little bit more for you. Good. Yeah, you put it here, and then you cover it. So how many do you want to plant?
3.
3. Okay. Oh, you see this one with this long roots? Yay! Wow. So you open it this way, and you make sure that the root is facing downwards. Okay? And then you cover it. You said you want to plant 3?
Yeah.
And then you get another. Let's see. Let's get another one. Let me get that spoon.
How much did you even bring?
I had many. Uncle Ikwerre brought it for me. Yeah, see. So we put it with the roots downwards. Okay? Like this. See? And you cover it. And you push it a little bit. That's it for this particular pot. Naturally, you don't have to wait for your ugu seeds to start rooting before you actually plant them. Look at these particular seeds. These seeds, they haven't started germinating. You look at the tip, there is no roots coming out yet. But you can still plant this and they will still do well. What you need to do is, looking at the tip, that's what goes into the soil first. And then the broader part of the ugu seeds will be facing upwards. If you are not sure, just put it flat on your bud. Open the hole and put your ugu seeds flat so that it won't have problem trying to germinate. Okay? After planting your ugu seeds, make sure that you water it very well. Water it very well so that the seeds do not dry up. If it doesn't have enough water and enough warmth, it will not germinate. It will rot away, and you do not want that. So please remember, water it very well, especially the first day that you planted it, so that the germination will be quick and nice and you'll be happy. Please, if you like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe, add your comments, and I wish you great success in your ugu planting. Good luck and God bless you. Bye-bye.